Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can sell any products on Whop. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Choose your niche. Start by identifying a niche that aligns with your interests, skills, and market demand. Whether it's fitness, tech, or design, pick a space where you can stand out. Then, research competitors, study their products, marketing, and target audience to spot gaps in the market and avoid creating lookalike offers. Step 2. Define your target audience. Understanding your ideal customer is crucial. Build a buyer persona by outlining their age, location, lifestyle, pain points, and motivations. Use social listening, surveys, and forums to dig deeper into what they truly want and tailor your product and messaging to meet their needs. Step 3. Decide what to sell. Choose a product model that suits your business goals. You can offer subscriptions for recurring income or sell digital or physical products as one-time purchases. From memberships and courses to templates and physical goods, pick a product that delivers clear value and matches your audience's expectations. Step 4. Create your online store. Your store is the hub of your business. On Whop, you can build a professional storefront without needing a full-blown website. You can also use social platforms or your own website to sell. Just make sure your store is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for conversions. Step 5. Select sales channels. Don't rely on a single platform. Combine your Whop store with other channels like TikTok Shop, Instagram Shopping, or marketplaces. The goal is to meet your audience where they already spend time and diversify your traffic sources to reduce risk. Step 6. Set up payments. Make purchasing seamless. Use a secure, global-friendly payment processor like Stripe or PayPal. Enable multiple payment methods, cards, wallets, or even Apple Pay, and ensure your checkout process is smooth, fast, and mobile-optimized. For digital sellers, Whop handles this seamlessly. Step 7. Plan fulfillment or delivery. For physical products, choose a reliable shipping provider. For digital ones, ensure instant access via download links, emails, or member portals. A fast, frictionless delivery experience builds trust and keeps customers coming back. Step 8. Promote your products. Finally, market your store. Use a combination of SEO, social media, email marketing, and influencers. Post regularly, share product benefits, and create content that builds trust. Capture emails, engage with your audience, and run campaigns that drive traffic and sales.